So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you create a WhatsApp link that directly open up the chat with you if you share it with anyone. So to do this, I would like to use this editor to create the link. Let me show you. Now to create that link, you should just type HTTPS. That is what we type normally. Then colon, then double slash. After that, the link for WhatsApp is, the website for WhatsApp is wa dot me, then again slash. Now you just have to type your number with the country code. Now let me type mine. I would like to show you this magic. Let me type my number. So now our link is ready. Let's just test it out. Now, if I click this link, it will open up a chat with myself on the WhatsApp, and you can see that is. Now, you can share this link with anyone, and if they click that, that will open up a chat with you.